Hey, I was at Walmart today and I was checking my blood pressure, right? So before I sat down, it was a lady sitting down. It was a white lady. I didn't say it because she was white. I'm just saying that I want you to know that she was white, right? You know, because every race do some crazy shit. It don't matter who you is. You could be whatever color. We ain't no different. But she stood there after she got up, right? She was getting her blood pressure checked first in the little machine. You sit down and do it yourself. Well, she stood up over me to watch my blood pressure, right? And my blood pressure was pretty good. I think it was like 124 over 78. It wasn't just horrible. But I'm saying that because she stood there and she looked at my blood pressure thing and she got mad. Mine was almost 200, and I'm like, lady, you 200 more pounds than I am. If you wasn't 200 more pounds than me, your blood pressure probably would be like, man. But she got mad at me. I tried to tell her, I said, I bet you eat a bunch of pork, don't you? I bet you do. She said, I love pork. I said, yeah, but pork don't love you. I tried to tell her, but she got mad at me, saying her folks been eating pork forever. I said, you been eating it so much so that you look like a little pig. You look like a hog, a sow, whatever they want to call them. I'm sorry. But I think the truth may help you. Not only will you stop eating pork, but you will stop trying to win at the buffets all the time. You will stop trying to eat more than the folks can bring in. Don't be mad at me by checking your pressure. My pressure ain't always good, but I don't eat no bunch of crazy stuff, and I don't try to win. I don't try to see who, you know, the biggest loser. You trying to be the biggest gainer. You want to be the biggest gainer. Don't be mad at me. Peace. I was just checking my blood pressure.